racial discriminations located in the classification of human races and belief in superiority remains a pervasive global issue despite social historical instances like the discussions of these complexities manifesting across various life events in libertarian stereotypes and maintaining human rights. Despite the series of document case, Taiwan faced discriminations until adopted justice on social media, important for combating, understanding and action, combating racial discriminations in grounding efforts, including raising awareness, promoting inclusive and information classes, ensuring equal treatment for all individuals, intractability of race or achievement.
Continue to face income disparities compared to other racial groups, even with comparable education levels, reflecting deep-seated inequality in the labor market. Black college students experience low completion rates influenced by racial discrimination, financial barriers, and a lack of racial diversity in education environments, media representation, and cultural insensitivity. Negative stories and cultural instability prepared in media insist in the portrayal of birth Chinese families in living with the lamps, contribute to discrimination and reinforce racial basis.
Addressing racial discrimination requires media representation that is accurate, respectful, and inclusive, especially in children's programming, police brutality, and racial profiling. Cases like shooting of Jalen Walker and the tragic death of Breonna Taylor underscore that urgent need to address police brutality and the racial profiling. Excessive use of force by law enforcement coupled with systemic biases. Disproportionately affects black individual and perpetuates racial injustice. Legal protection and advocacy. Legal protections such as the Crown Act and are essential for combating racial discrimination, particularly in areas like racial hair discrimination faced by individuals like dairy church advocacy efforts such as laws by Asian Protection for Justice and other community organizations play a crucial role in challenging racism, promoting awareness, and advocating for policy reforms. International perspective and the recent incident of racism, such as the attack on Vinicius Jr. in Spain High School, highlights the global nature of racial discrimination and the need for concerted effort to address racism at a global level. Overall, this example underscores the multifaceted nature of racism and the urgent need for comprehensive effort to combat discrimination, promote inclusive and advance racial equality in society.
Racial discrimination is still a big problem worldwide. It shows up in many ways, from big action to smaller biases in situations. When people face discrimination, it really hurts them mentally. They start feeling bad about themselves and might even have mental health issues like feeling anxious or sad. Discrimination also affects people's lives in real ways. For example, it can stop them from getting good jobs or homes, keeping them stuck in poverty. It also makes society split apart, causing people to not trust each other.
To stop racism, we need to do a lot of things. Laws and rules are important, but so is teaching people about racism and making sure different kinds of people are shown in a good light in the media. It's also important for each person to think about their own biases and talk openly about race. Education and thinking about race can help change people's minds and make the world a better, warmer place for everyone.